Hello, Habibi here. In this video I'm going to continue my tutorial on about how to create this rocket launching game. In this video I will add a delay between rocket shots. Right now if I click the shot button repeatedly, you see there is no delay between the rocket shots. It's so loud and it is not realistic. We need to add some delay between shots, so player should not fire the rocket too much. And if you see this rocket here, if I click the shot button, this one should be disappear, and then after a few seconds it should be reappear. It should reappear, and then player can shoot again. Okay, to make it happen I will edit the script. Here is my script. Rocket launcher. Rocket launcher. I will edit the script. Here I'm going to add a public boolean variable. Public bool can shoot or can fire, and by default I'm going to set the value to true. And then after firing the rocket I will set the value of this variable to be false. Then I'm going to run a timer. I need to make another variable, public float can fire after 2 seconds. Here I'm going to add IEnumerator function, reset fire timer, will return new wait for seconds, and I place this variable here, and then I set the value of can fire to true. Start coroutine, reset timer. Then I will wrap these lines inside an if statement. If can fire true, then we instantiate the rocket, and if the value is false, we shouldn't be able to fire the rocket. And also I need a public game object variable. I will call it rocket display, and the rocket display is this object here in the rocket launcher. It is just fake rocket. I will remove this fake rocket when we click the fire button, and if the timer is what should I say, after 2 seconds the fake rocket will appear again, and I will will copy this variable, I place it here. I will make it visible, set active true, and here I copy the entire line and paste it here. I set it to false. I'm going to go back to Unity editor, and I will set the reference of this fake rocket object, rocket display. Let's rename it to fake rocket. Replace all. Where is the UI? It is here. Player. Yeah, I need to set the reference of this fake rocket RPG, and this is the rocket. You see that? And I will drag and drop it here, and let's try it. Let's try the game. I will fire the rocket. You see that? The rocket is launched. It's more realistic. So I will not be able to click this fire button repeatedly unless after 2 seconds is passed between each shot. Alright, and if you want to change the value of the timer, you can simply change this number from 2 seconds to 4 seconds or 1 second. Okay, that's all for this video. I will continue with the another part of the tutorial later. Yeah, that's all. Bye bye.